As long as it doesn't go back to doing takeouts only, because that's when it was really bad.
You might not be able to get a table here in a few months. With COVID-19 cases rising, owners at this restaurant don't know if they'll have to close their dining room or close for good. And an industry group says many are facing the same risk. Husband and wife Jody and Harpreet Bansal took ownership of Tacky's Taverna last December, thinking they could weather the storm with new vaccines coming. But they say that storm has lasted too long.
For the last 2 years, we've been saying, oh, it'll be fine in a few months, it'll be fine in a few months. And now we're still in this position where I think no one really knows what's going to be around the corner. And we don't know if there's going to be another lockdown.
We work 7 days. We're here all the time from morning to night. So we have to put in the hours right now. But we're hoping as the restrictions get looser, we can hire more staff and business becomes more stable.
BC was aiming to move to stage 4 of its recovery plan on September 7th. But
we always said this would be the earliest, and it's very likely that we won't be seeing move to any more loosening of restrictions in the near term. But we'll continue to watch both cases, as we've said, cases being low and steady and hospitalizations decreasing.
On Friday, the province reported 663 new cases. 129 people are in hospital. The BC Centre for Disease Control forecasts if cases continue to grow, a fourth wave could dwarf numbers we saw in April, unless vaccination rates jump and stricter public health measures are enforced. And Restaurants Canada says that could lead to thousands of restaurants closing before the end of the year. It conducted a recent survey that says 80% of eateries are losing money or barely breaking even.
On the very important wage and rent subsidies, those are by far the most important supports. And even now, even with our BC members, they're telling us, even with the pent-up demand and they're getting some good business here in the summertime, they're still going to be underwater without those subsidies.
Tacky's is preparing for a busy evening as business was just starting to pick up again.
Trying the best that we can, but if things go bad, then it would be bad, but things are looking promising right now.
In Vancouver, Crystal Laderas, City News.